Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the mechanics rule for using abbreviations in people's names. So when it comes to people's names, their first names, middle names, and their last names can be abbreviated. Some people are known only by their abbreviations or by their initials. Let's take a look at some examples here. We have the President, Franklin Delano Roosevelt. He is known simply as FDR, simply by his abbreviations. Same thing for John Fitzgerald Kennedy, the president, also known as JFK. Another president, Lyndon Baines Johnson, LBJ. You'll oftentimes hear just LBJ stated, and that's referencing Lyndon Baines Johnson. Similar thing for Martin Luther King Jr. He's known as MLK, and we celebrate MLK Day every year in January. George W. Bush is known simply as W by his middle initial. And the poet Hilda Doolittle was known as HD. And the singer and entertainer Jennifer Lopez is oftentimes known just as J-Lo, her abbreviation there. You'll see that we have other writers and other famous people. Alan Alexander Milne, known as A.A. Milne, just as the abbreviations there. Okay, Clive Staples Lewis, known as C.S. Lewis. Same thing for Robert Lawrence Stein, the writer, R.L. Stein. If you read any of the Goosebumps books, then you know R.L. Stein. Lucy Maud Montgomery, known as L.M. Montgomery. You'll find a lot of women in writing who go by their initials. That can be fairly common. She wrote the Anne of Green Gables books. And Joanna Kathleen Rowling, J.K. Rowling, of course, of Harry Potter fame. And Ursula Kroeber Le Guin, Ursula K. Le Guin is how she went by her name, using her middle initial K, always in her name. So you can abbreviate people's first, middle, or last names, and some people just go by their abbreviations. So I hope that information is helpful to you, and good luck with your writing.